Building integrations is hard. Monitoring and managing operations is even harder. Workato's easy-to-use automation dashboard completely rethinks how you monitor the health of your automations. It provides key insights, analytics, and actions so you can discover and resolve issues faster. You'll find the Dashboard tab in the menu at the top of the screen. Here, you can review the health of all of your automations with a single glance. All of this information is updated in real time, so you're always on top of your automations. Quickly assess if things are running as per usual, or if there are any anomalies by looking at the trends of successful jobs and failed jobs. Simply hover over the trends and select any snapshot of time to view the status of your automations in that period. Selecting a time snapshot also updates the view below to include only recipes that were active during that time period. By default, the dashboard displays trends for the last 7 days. You may want to take a look at trends from other time periods, like over the last 30 days to check if there are surges on certain days of the month, or over a long weekend to ensure there were no failed jobs. Using the filter on the left, select from the preset values, or select a custom date range using the calendar widget. As the number of automations you build grows, it's common to organize recipes by projects, like lead capture, pre-boarding, or data warehouse, by placing recipes into folders. You can easily check the state of all of your automations for any project, like for daily executive reports, by selecting the specific folder using the filter in the middle. Browse the list of folders or simply search for the folder name. When monitoring the health of critical automations, it's important to get to the ones that need immediate attention quickly. The drop-down menu on the right allows you to shift your focus to a subset of your automations. View recipes that have failed, or individual recipes, so you can quickly take action. Using the time, folder, and recipe filters, you're able to create your own personalized view of the automation dashboard. Tracking your recipe usage against your subscription plan is critically important. The panel on the top right gives visibility into your current recipe usage in real time, so you're always in control. For further details on what's included in your subscription plan, you can navigate to the subscription page with a single click. Use this section to view your subscription plan details, including renewal date, number of recipes, on-prem agents, and other add-ons included in your plan. The recipe usage charts give you instant visibility into growth trends for recipes. As the number of recipes and users within your Workato account increases, a multitude of connections will be established. Back on the dashboard, the Connections panel gives you an overview of the status of connections in your account. Use the Connections panel to track the number of apps connected now and which connections were added or removed in the past 7 days. When troubleshooting recipes, you may want to prioritize which recipes you look at using metrics like recently run jobs, high failed job count, or high task count. You can find a summary of your jobs and view more details about individual recipes below the chart. The Sort By option makes it easy to sort jobs by recipe status, successful or failed job count, recency, or task count. Each recipe entry directly links to its source page with more detailed information. The successful or failed links will link you to that same page with filters for either status pre-selected for you. You can also click into any job that failed to specifically pinpoint the step within the recipe at which the job failed, and take action to remediate this. When reviewing job history for a recipe, you may want a graphical view of the jobs that were successfully run or the ones that failed. You can navigate to Settings and click on the View Usage link to access the dashboard quickly. This view makes it easy to identify any anomalies, like dips or spikes in jobs or tasks, for a specific recipe over time. Workato's Automation Dashboard helps you stay on top of your automations by providing you with actionable insights to resolve critical issues faster. For more information on the Automation Dashboard, check out docs.workato.com. Workato product updates will continue to be announced at product.workato.com.